Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where magic meets beauty. So I wanted to show you guys some of my new products. Okay, so I have a few things here that's new to the makeup collection, and I wanted to give you a little tour of what I got. Okay guys, so one of the first things I got the Morphe Jeffree Star collection. Oh my god, I am so excited to try these. I mean they're so pink. You get 3 of them. Absolutely gorgeous for the money. I think the entire set is only, I think it was £16 for all 3, and you get the big sponge. You get 2 minis, which are fantastic for contouring the face, and they're amazing for doing under eye concealer. So I can't wait to give these a go and try them. I've heard such good reviews about them as well. Let me read the back to you guys. Okay, so the ultimate threesome. The only BS you need in life is beauty sponges. Bold and in your face. Jeffree Star is giving you the ultimate beatdown thanks to this limited edition trio. Our iconic highlight and contour beauty sponges got a custom star-worthy makeover. Soak it all in, babe. I'm gonna. I'm so excited to try these. I've actually not tried a Morphe beauty blender before, so this will be super interesting. But what kind of bitch would I be if I didn't get the brush set to match? Yeah, I'm that girl. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. I don't ever want to take the packaging off. I wish that like the Jeffree Star picture was like part of it all the time. It's actually insane. So let me show you guys what the bag looks like. So that's the actual bag. It really is totally hieroglyphic. I love the shape of it as well. It's like, this is a fantastic shape bag for carrying brushes. It's really cool. And then there it just says Morphe X Jeffree Star as well. My makeup bag for traveling is gonna look so freaking epic with all this pink stuff in it. Do you want to see the brushes? Okay, so let's get a proper look at these bad boys. Let's open up the little blender trio. I almost don't want to open these. I wish I got like more so I could just keep them. Okay, so here's the little sponges. They're really soft. Shape of them is nice and curvy. Almost goes to a point at the top. Fantastic for under eye blots is just what I'm going to use them for. And I love that they're pink. You guys, my makeup table is so pink right now. It just has so much pink like products in it. So you get 2 of these. So my plan for these is I'm going to keep one dry and I'm going to use one that's going to be wet. And I'm going to use that for chiseling the jawline. I'm going to use it for contouring around my lips and under my eyes. That's what I'm going to be using the little baby ones for, if Ariana doesn't take them first. And then we have the big daddy one. Okay, so it's a similar pointy angles that we have here. I mean, these angles, if you guys are used to using beauty blenders, I look at the blender and I just see all the angles that I can do with this sponge. Okay, I can get in and about my nose crease. I can cut my eyebrows. Like, I can do so much with a beauty blender this shape, so I'm really excited to see how it's gonna perform. They're super soft, and I've been watching a couple of videos and I have heard that they pop up nice and big and that they absorb the makeup really well. So let's have a look at the brushes, shall we? So I put it all back together again after I showed you guys in the video because I wanted to take a thumbnail before I opened them all. Okay, so let's open the brushes. So even like on the little zip, it says Jeffree Star, and then on the other side it says Morphe. So the brushes come in a packet like this. And then there's also a film sleeve as well. I was really scared because I thought that the Morphe X Jeffree was going to be imprinted on this and it wouldn't actually be on the bag. So that's really cool that it is actually on the bag. Okay, there we go, all opened. Okay, can we just take a minute? really hope you can see like how pink these are. They're just so friggin' So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One is double-sided. So you get 8 brushes, and this retailed, I think, for about £40 altogether. So you get the whole set and the makeup bag. So the first brush we have is the double-angled eyebrow pencil. So this is perfect for filling in the brows. And then this side, I literally use these brushes every single day, even days I'm not wearing makeup, because I like to keep my brows nice and tidy. And then the second brush we have here, they don't actually have like Morphe numbers on them because they're the collabs. So it'll be like similar to like the Jaclyn Hill ones. So it just says JS5. Okay, so nice and fluffy. This one is white. And this one, these brushes, even like the shape of them, just as I'm playing with them, I can already see how easy it's going to be to hold them nice and high up, so I get a nice light hand when I'm doing my blending. And this is going to be a stunner blending brush. It's also going to be a really good cut crease brush because I'm seeing a really good tip there. Okay, here we have the JS6. So quite similar to the one from before. It's a lot smaller, so that's going to be great for doing your transition shading in your cut creases. It's also, it kind of has a little bit of a flat edge to it as well, which is really good for like patting on the product as well. And then we have my favorite. I actually have one like this that I use all the time. This one came in my Morphe set, so it's pretty similar size. Pretty similar fiber hairbrush consistency. These are a mix of synthetic hairs and I think it's human hair that they used on these brushes. So this one is obviously a highlighter brush. My highlight is not popping today because I didn't have the setting spray. I've run out of setting spray. Okay, so this is going to be gorge. And then we get one of these brushes too. This is the JS3. Well, I love, and these are pink. This is us getting onto the pink ones. Oh my god, they're so soft. Okay, so what I love using these ones for is I love using these for baking under my eye. And I love doing it for touching up the nose as well. So that's what I like these brushes for. This one came with like a casing. Okay, so then we have the nice big fluffy powder brush. Ooh, girl, so nice. Oh, so soft. So it's all fluffy, all pink. Look at that, stunning. And then we have the JS1. This is going to be the foundation brush, which is going to be interesting. I haven't used a brush to apply my foundation for a very long time. I find that it takes me a lot longer to apply my foundation using a brush. I always just go for my blender, but I really, really want to try this. I saw Jeffree using it on his channel, and when he was pouring the makeup on top, it just sat beautifully on top of your brush. And that's what you really want from a foundation brush. You don't want it to sink into all the fibers. You're just gonna do really okay. So this is so stunning. Same soft material as the powder sponge. So I'm very excited to give this one a try. So you guys, I think altogether I was £57 because I used one of my Morphe coupon codes. I used the code ADOPTLOVE. I found this one on Twitter. It works for pretty much everything you buy on Morphe as well, and it goes to a really good cause. So try and use that code when you can. And look at all the stuff I got for £57. Like, that is such a good bang for your buck. It really is. When you think a beauty blender is £17–18, you know, like, this is crazy. A MAC makeup brush is going to cost you roughly £20. So look what you're getting. You're getting so much stuff. Not to mention, it's pink. I'm going through like a pink freaking obsession right now. Everything I have is pink. Okay, you guys, so thanks for watching the video. hope you enjoyed it. Oh my god, I'm gonna get like an email from like Jeffree's lawyer, like, you can't use the mirror that way. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. And let me know if you guys are also part of the Jeffree Star fan club when it comes to all these Morphe products. And let me know if you guys are enjoying the brushes.